Go to our appointment. We can just lay here and snuggle in bed. And you right here and me right here. And we'll just snuggle together. Baby. Baby.
Isn't this what you want to do?
Yes, this is what I want to do. It appears that Ralph, the nighttime hairdresser, came in and gave you a nice new hairstyle. Me? You did a good job. Jared's a little irritable this morning. He didn't get very good sleep because he was fighting evil. Iron Man style, huh, baby?
I guess.
Did you kill him? Did you get him? Did you save the city? Did you save the damsel? No. Jared says that I touch my hair when I talk to people. Why do you think I do that? From your psychology-based, like...
Because you're self-conscious about it.
You're right, I am. But I didn't realize that I was touching my hair.
Speak like this.
They have to do a pregnancy test. And I don't know if I need to go to the bathroom enough or not. And she's like, just a couple drops. I'm like, I might could do a couple drops. Nope, nothing. Now for ultrasound. Jared's never seen me in a paper drape before. She's like, oh, I'm dressed from the waist down. And he's like, what are you supposed to wear? And I'm like, paper. I'm good. Hedging their bets on the fact that the majority of their people are going to be healthy. Right. And that, you know, there's going to be maybe 5–10% that are going to dip into that. Come in. Come in. IVF, my friends. IVF. This is what everybody's been waiting for. Everybody has been waiting for this moment. Sign for it.
You just bought a baby.
I just bought the ability to have a baby. Okay, so we will just wait to hear about the cyst. Hopefully it's non-estrogen producing. And we can work around it. I licked this finger and then used that finger. That's what was funny. I realized it was... Pray, baby, pray that the cyst doesn't produce estrogen.
Okay.
And then I have to go on birth control for a month. And we have to start this whole thing over again.
We don't have to pay more though.
No. We've paid the money. The money's already paid. I might be
probably
more.
The most that we've ever like paid in an amount before.
One lump sum.
One lump sum like that?
Yeah.
Probably
Oh, there was that one time we paid off the credit card.
Not 9 grand though.
No.
Or 10 grand I guess it was.
No. Thanks everybody for your help, for getting us here. I think I said that earlier, but we seriously wouldn't be here doing this without all of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we just gotta wait for a call from Lacey, our nurse.
So weird.
What?
You have Lindsay?
Lacey.
Or Lacey.
And
both
then
my sisters are Lindsay.
Lacey and Lindsay. It's funny because everybody in there was like, oh my gosh, your hair, it's so cute. And I'm like, I know, I'm really bashful about it. Let's not talk about it anymore.
Later, in the void.
Who are you? Okay. Okay. But as far as the cyst goes, it's not an estrogen producing cyst. Good. I literally have been holding my breath all day about that stupid cyst. Oh my gosh. Okay. You know what I mean? Like, it's just the idea that maybe the cyst would, you know, prolong this a month or 2 months or 3 months. You know what I mean? I'm just like, okay, I have literally been sick all day long thinking that that cyst was okay, so I just literally need to start my period. That's all. I just need to start my period. Look at this. I'm like sweating. Okay, I'm gonna hurry and call Jared. Maybe he's on a break. Either way, kids, that's great news. I just have to have a period. She said everything's good. We may have to adjust a couple days as far as my calendar goes. Don't start the meds. Just continue on the Lupron. Woof. Okay.
Early the next morning.
Okay, so Jared's got a test this morning. Well, Jared's got a freezing that will happen. They want some backup, just in case the day of sample for the, you always do that like right in the middle of me talking. It's like you want to be a part of this. Oh, now you're a part of it. So we have to do 2 backup samples before the day of the retrieval. They're going to freeze those, and one of those is going to be frozen today. And then I've got my ultrasound at 11:15, but I have to drop off Jared's sample at 10. So we're on a time crunch here. Headed to take Jared's sample to the doctor's office for freezing. Right here, right here. Hey, love your face. You I love. You I love. Puppy, I love your face. Okay, let's get our stuff. Let's put Jared in the brown bag because it should be in a brown bag. I don't know why, it just should, because, you know, it's a little more private that way. It should just be in a brown bag, okay? I watched somebody who didn't have it in a brown bag and I was like, girl, she's just holding it. I'm like, put it in a brown bag! They called my name and I totally wasn't ready. Like, I'm like 20 minutes early because I've just been sitting out in the, anyway, I gotta hurry and get undressed. Pretty sure I forgot to take out my menstrual cup. So I had to hurry and run to the bathroom. And now I can sit down. Pretty sure you can't do a ultrasound. You can't do one of these with a menstrual cup in. But it's good that I'm on my period, so there's that. Paper gown and all, covering my delicates. Oh, there go my cheeks. There it goes. I'm hoping it's thinning.
Do you remember what it was at yesterday? I'm gonna have to look at your images.
13. So she checked my ovaries. The cyst on the left side is about 1 inch. It's blocking the view of the ovary, or essentially she said she could find 5 follicles on the left side. She said there are probably more, but you can't see them because of the cyst is in the way. But those are the ones that have potential to be eggs. And then on my right side, she said that she could see 12. So hopefully that's good news. Hopefully we'll have more than 17, but you know, big numbers, big numbers, big numbers, big numbers. We want big numbers, but not so big that I get sick. Yeah, with the hyperstimulation syndrome. Yikes. Okay, so here is what's happening. I have to go back on Sunday for another ultrasound to see where my lining is at, to make sure that it has shed enough for us to start IVF. So Sunday, today is Thursday. Yeah, Sunday, 8:15 in the morning.